Hey guys, what's happening? I'm your host Rishabh Sima. Welcome back to Cube Talks with EAC. Our guest for today is very special. He is the former Asian record holder for the fastest average of 5 on 2x2 with 1.47 seconds. He's also placed first in India, fifth in India, and 17th in the world. He also came fourth in the World Championships of 2019 for the fastest average of 5 on 2x2. Other than cubing, he also likes to play cricket and squash. Let's meet our guest for today. Hey Ahmed, how are you?
Hi, what's up?
How are you doing?
I'm doing great. Quarantine's been good. Yeah.
So before we start, Ahmed, how would you describe yourself as an Instagram bio or a tweet?
That's a good question. So I mean, usually when I'm thinking of an Instagram caption, I think about like my accomplishments. So first I would talk about like my 2x2 NR/ASR, and then
Okay.
probably usually I don't like making it too long, so I would just say follow my account or something like that. Nothing too special. Yeah.
I mean that's amazing. You are one of the top 2x2 cubers in the world. So you are amazing.
Thank you.
Before we go into all your records, what are your favorite events? WCA, non-WCA?
Yeah. So yeah, I don't really do non-WCA, but for WCA events, it's probably 2x2, 3x3, 4x4, 5x5, 2 through 5, and then Mega. Those are probably my favorite events right now. Yeah.
That's nice. What's your average on Megamix?
So I started practicing Mega like 2 to 3 days back when I got my new Mega, and I used to average like 110, but now I average like 59. So good improvement. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So the first question for you is, you got the Asian record in the first half of 2019 with an average of 1.47 seconds. How did you feel when you got the record, and how did you feel when China's Gu Sushing broke the record 3 months later?
So when I got the record, it was actually really nice because like all my friends were celebrating with me, and they called me like the Hulk smash or something
Smash.
like that, because as I got the record, I like shouted extremely loudly, and I almost got like disqualified because of how loud I was. So yeah, they started calling me like Hulk smash and stuff like that. And then after I lost the record, it wasn't that bad for me because I had already gone through like the entire procedure of losing a record when Arnav Arora took my NR,
Yeah.
like when I got my first NR, and he took it with ASR. So that time I actually felt really bad, but this time I was just like, I guess I just gotta work harder and get it again.
That's the right attitude to have. You need to keep moving forward, cubing and non-cubing in life
Yep.
generally. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So my next question is, who is your idol and why?
So my idol, whenever like people ask me my cubing idol, I usually say Anthony Paterakis because when I was just starting up with 2x2, I used to watch his videos all day. I used to just see how fast he could actually
Yeah.
turn, and he can turn with like 20 moves per second, which is like really
Yeah.
fast, and
Especially
I
on
still
the
can't do
2x2.
that.
The
Yeah,
EPS on the
exactly.
2x2 it makes a big difference.
Yeah, it's really good. Yeah.
So right now with the lockdown, quarantine and all that,
Mm-hmm.
what's your practice schedule and what are you doing right now?
So, lockdown has actually given me a lot of time to cube because I feel like it's the best time to take advantage of people
Yes,
not
yes.
competing, because no one's competing, no one's breaking any records. So it's a time where I can actually like catch up with other people,
Yeah.
you know. So it's given me motivation to cube, and many people are saying that no competitions, there's no point, but I find it as like an advantage that like the whole thing has just gone to a pause right now.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Totally, because I started cubing when this lockdown started, and to be
Yeah.
honest, it's so fun practicing. I still wait for the competition.
The online scene is also really good. Yeah.
Yeah,
Like it's fun doing online comps.
I think today, uh,
Yeah.
18,
18.
we have a cubing
Yeah.
at home competition at 11, 3 by 3.
Yeah. After warm up
Yeah.
after this. Yeah.
So are you ready for that?
I really want to make 3x3 finals. That's my only
Yeah,
goal.
because you
That's
you
honestly my only
placed
goal.
7th in the finals in the first round or something.
That was for 2x2. Yeah. I'm not too concerned about
Okay.
2x2 this time, because last two cubing at homes I missed out on 3x3 finals because of poor performance. So that's my main goal. And 2x2, I practiced a bit. Let's see how it goes though.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So for all the viewers that don't know what Cubing at Home is, it's an online free competition hosted by the Cubing USA and the Cubicle.us.
It's really good.
Anyone can join. So if you want to get registered for that, you can register with the link in the description. Amit, so you have a YouTube channel also.
Yeah.
You hit a new milestone of 500 subscribers about a month ago. Congratulations on that, by the way.
Thank you.
How do you manage to balance YouTube, cubing, and you have your exams also going on right now? So, how do you manage all that?
So the thing is, I studied like a while back as well, like when I had vacations. Plus my exams this time are open book exams, so there's not actually that much to study. It's more about like
Okay.
practice. So that gives me more time to cube, obviously.
Yeah.
But I have kind of slowed down on my YouTube because daily uploading took too much time and I can't risk it during exams. I can cube and stuff because
Yeah.
that's like a stress reliever, but editing the videos takes too long. Yeah.
Yeah, filming is the easiest part, but editing
Yeah.
it and putting it out.
Because
That's the
I
hard
feel
thing.
like I have high standards
Yeah,
for my videos
I
as well.
agree.
Like I can't just, if I'm actually working on a video, like if it's just a clip here and there, I just upload it. But if it's an actual like informative video, I need to have it like good before I can upload it. So it takes time.
That's how you should be. So Amit, you also stream on Twitch. Not often, but you are planning to stream on it. What setup do you use? So do you like Twitch?
So the funny thing is, I keep saying I'm gonna switch to Twitch. That sounds funny. But then whenever I start streaming on Twitch, what happens is there's always a network issue. So I just have to stop it in like 5 minutes.
That's
And
fine.
then for some reason on YouTube my streams work perfectly fine, but on Twitch they don't. So for now I've just been doing it on YouTube. Once I figure it out properly, I'll probably go back to Twitch.
Yeah, I think
because it's
maybe
much better.
Twitch needs a better spec list or something like that, including
Probably that, or maybe yeah. It's just I don't know. It's weird. I'm just unlucky.
That's okay. Maybe soon you'll have more than 500 followers on Twitch too.
One day.
Okay, so I have another 2 questions for you. One of them
Yeah.
is you're first in India, 5th in Asia, 17th in the world. How does it, that's with your ASR, at 1.47 seconds. How does it feel, to be top 20 in the world? You're 17th in the world, so that's a huge deal. At least according to me, it's a huge deal. So how do you feel about that?
I completely agree with you. It's actually a really big deal, and sometimes I forget that. Like, people ask me like what my world ranking is or whatever, and then I tell them 17th, and then they're like staring at me for like a whole minute, just wondering what I just said. And I'm like, it's only 17th. How does it matter? But then I realize it's
It's
like
not
there's only
only
16
7.
people faster. It's crazy.
The margins are very small
It's crazy.
because
Yeah.
Tiny margins. It,
Like if you look at it visually, it's
Yeah.
no difference. It's
Yeah.
the same thing. It's just like the timer. Honestly, yeah, yeah.
okay, so for the final questions, you're wearing a special jacket today. Uh, so you're sponsored by Cube Lelo. When did that happen? And
Yep.
did you approach them or did they approach you? What's your relationship with them right now?
So I think our relationship is the best it's ever been. I am working with them like really like often right now, doing some stuff with them,
That's awesome.
and we have some really good video ideas for my channel coming up soon. And this merchandise they sent out to like all the sponsorees a few days back. It's like next level. Like their merch
Yeah,
game
yeah.
is
I
next
can
level.
see that. Just having that logo and it's a lot of pride.
Yeah,
It's something to be
exactly.
proud of.
And yeah, they recently also gave me a discount code. So it's code Amir, just my name. And you can actually get 50 rupees off, which is pretty cool. And it actually helps me out so much. It's crazy.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So all of you guys that are watching, if you're ever planning to buy a cube, use code AMIR AAMIR while you're checking out. So you get 50 rupees off and you'll help yourself and Amir.
Yep. It helps both
Yeah.
of us.
That's a good. Okay. Before we end this superb talk with you, we got to know you. It was
Yeah.
fun getting to know you.
It was really fun. Thank you for having me.
Thank you for coming on here. It's a real pleasure to have you here. Where can our viewers find you on the social platforms? Where do they need to follow you if they want to subscribe?
So yeah, if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, it's Amir like AAMIR .speedcuber for my official handle, and then the rest of social media is like YouTube, Facebook, and things like that, where you can just message me or watch my videos. It's just my name, Amir Sefi, nothing
Okay,
else.
that's awesome.
Yeah.
So all of the viewers, the links for the social platforms should be in the description below. Go ahead and follow and subscribe to his channel. Thank you, Amir. I'll see you next time.
Thank you.
for coming.
That's awesome.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye. Bye.
So guys, I hope you guys liked the interview with Amir. Thanks to him for being such a sport and joining me for the interview. If you guys want to follow him, as I said, the links are in the description. If you want to register for cubing at home, the links are in the description. Please do subscribe to the channel, hit that like button and comment down below who you want the next guest to be. Also, if you want to donate and help me out to run my channel, there's a Patreon link in the description below. Go check that out and help me out too. I'll see you guys next time. Have a nice day.